Hey there, I'm Bobby with NetGain Real Estate, and I've got over 30 years of real estate experience from loan originations to remodeling, renovations, as well as the selling process. Today, I want to share a personal story that introduced me to the concept of aging in place. When our family was planning for my parents' future, we realized the importance of making sure their home met their evolving needs. In this video, my goal is to help you understand what aging in place is and provide practical tips on how you can make it happen for yourself or a loved one. So let's dive in. What is aging in place? Aging in place means living in your own home safely, independently, and comfortably as you grow older. It's about creating an environment that adapts to your changing needs, allowing you to stay in a familiar setting. This topic is becoming increasingly important given the aging demographics of the United States. Did you know that by 2030, 1 in 5 Americans will be over the age of 65? That's according to the U.S. Census Bureau. As more people look to age in place, understanding how to make your home suitable for this lifestyle is crucial. Let's explore why this is so important and how you can get started. When it comes to aging in place remodeling, you have two main approaches to consider. First, you can modify your existing home to meet your aging needs. This might involve adding bathroom safety features like grab bars, widening doorways for easier access, or installing ramps. Alternatively, you can adapt a family member's home to accommodate an aging relative. This could mean creating an in-law suite or modifying existing rooms to be more accessible and comfortable. In our family, we chose to build an addition to my sister's home for our mother, ensuring that she had the necessary modifications for her health issues. Both approaches have their benefits and challenges, but the goal is the same: to create a safe, independent, and comfortable living environment. In our family, we made the decision to build an addition to my siblings' home for our mother. This wasn't about creating more space. It was about ensuring that she had everything she needed to live safely and comfortably. Our mother had specific health issues that required certain modifications, such as wider doorways for her wheelchair and a bathroom equipped with grab bars and a walk-in shower. We also installed non-slip flooring throughout her living area and added ample lighting to prevent falls. This experience taught us a lot about the importance of planning and customizing a space to meet the unique needs of an aging loved one. It was a significant project, but it's been a great setup and opportunity for our mother who enjoys her grandchildren and is able to stay in the area that she loves. When it comes to aging in place, certain remodeling tips and requirements can make a world of difference. Safety features are paramount. Install grab bars in bathrooms and near stairs, and ensure non-slip flooring throughout the house to prevent falls. These days, there are a wide variety of products and options on the market that simply don't look like the old handicap grab bars or other features. Toilet paper holders can provide support now. Soap dishes and towel racks are also available that are stylish and can support a loved one when needed. Accessibility enhancements are also crucial. Widen doorways and hallways for wheelchair access, and consider adding ramps or stair lifts where necessary. These changes can significantly improve mobility within the home. For comfort and convenience, opt for lever-style door handles and faucets, which are easier to use than traditional knobs. Good lighting is essential, especially in hallways and on stairs, to avoid accident. Sensor lights that turn on and off at set times is another recommended option to implement. Pay attention to windows and the blinds, drapes, or window treatments, and choose options that are easily opened and closed and do not require reaching too high. Now, kitchen modifications is another area to target to accommodate a loved one. Hydraulic lift chairs can provide access to counters if modifications or replacement of some cabinetry or counters isn't an option. One thing we did was change our mother's pots and pans from the cast iron and other heavy-duty weight pans to lighter weight options so that she could handle and manage them easily. We also made sure that all day-to-day items were within easy reach. Yes, it meant that there was some purging that had to be done. She does love her kitchen items, but all of the favorites were still accessible. By focusing on these key areas, you can create a living environment that's not only safe, but also comfortable and convenient for aging in place. Now, when planning for aging in place, you likely will encounter some potential hurdles. Financial considerations can be significant as the cost of remodeling can add up quickly. However, if you manage these expenses by budgeting and carefully considering cost-effective solutions, it is doable. One way to save money is by managing the project yourself. That can cut your costs by thousands of dollars. Homeowners who act as their own general contractors can save 20 to 30% on project costs. Now, structural limitations are another potential challenge. Some homes may not be easily adaptable without significant renovations. For instance, older homes may have narrow doorways or steep stairs that are difficult to modify. In such cases, it is essential to assess whether the necessary changes are feasible within your budget and structural constraints. Addressing these hurdles thoughtfully can pave the way for a successful aging-in-place remodel. Managing your remodeling project can be a game changer when it comes to saving money. By acting as your own general contractor, you can cut out the middleman and save thousands on your project costs. This approach not only gives you greater control over the process, but it also ensures you get the results you're looking for without breaking the bank. We help homeowners like you navigate this process. From budgeting tips to managing contractors, our goal is to empower you to take charge of your renovation. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about making informed decisions that benefit your family in the long run. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to support you in your remodeling journey.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.